Hi, I'm Ashley Hope and I'm so excited to bring you all the hair tips. Welcome to my channel. Let's get straight to the hair play and rosé. If your extensions ever show when trying to do a slicked back snatch look, try it this way. Scoop out a little bit of your product first and warm it up on the back of your hand before you apply it to your hair. Then roughly section out each side from the back and decide where your part is going to be. Once you have that, take a little section at the crown, tease it, and incorporate it into the back. Now secure the entire back and crown section with one scrunchie. Pinch and pull at the crown to achieve desired volume. And now add a little bit more product to your front sections, making sure you get all of your little flyaways and baby hairs really well. This is going to create a nice clean look. I'll link everything I used in the description box below. And then to make sure I'm getting those little guys really good and smooth and flat, I am using my Kitsch dual-ended comb brush. And as you can see, the more I get the hair to lay really flat and close to my head, the extension wefts, as good as they are, as perfectly done as they are, still stick out from my head because my head is so tiny and my hair is so fine on its own, my natural hair. So watch this trick. I am going to pull up the crown a little bit more until I finally get it to the exact final height that I want. And then I'm going to take those snatched sides with one little scoop of my pointer finger and tuck in my crown section. Boom. See how that makes a perfectly rounded silhouette now? My wefts are hidden, I get a little volume in the crown so my head doesn't look so tiny and flat, nothing is showing. Finish it up with a little volume powder and tease of the pony, smooth out the top, and voila, snatched with volume. What do you guys think? If there's any hairstyles that you struggle with while wearing extensions or just with your fine hair in general, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching!